Are you looking for the most useful and innovative tools and accessories to make your daily life easier, smarter, and more exciting? From outdoor adventures to home improvement and even cycling safety, I've gathered some of the most incredible products that will surprise you with their practicality and design. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Outdoor Fire Pit. For anyone who loves spending time outdoors, whether it's camping, picnicking, or simply relaxing in your backyard, this foldable stainless steel mesh fire pit is an absolute game changer. It features a strong 5-kilogram load capacity and a durable stainless steel rollable net supported by folding legs, making it not only stable but also extremely portable. The material is eco-friendly and designed to handle heat effectively while limiting ash for a cleaner experience. You don't need any tools to set it up, and it comes with a carrying bag so you can take it anywhere with ease. The cross structure of 4 stainless steel pipes ensures that it stands firm on different surfaces while looking sleek and stylish. It's the perfect outdoor centerpiece for cooking, grilling, or simply enjoying a cozy fire under the stars. Number 4, Car Doorstep. If you've ever struggled to reach the roof of your car to load luggage, install a roof rack, or clean it properly, this foldable universal car doorstep is going to make your life so much easier. Made from stainless steel, aluminum alloy, and ABS materials, it is lightweight, portable, and strong enough to support you when you step up. Number 3, Green Laser Level. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this FireCore 2-line green laser level is an essential tool for accuracy and precision. It has an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, making it reliable for both indoor and outdoor projects. With its self-leveling mode, it can automatically adjust within 4 degrees, and if it's out of range, the laser line flashes quickly to let you know. You can also switch to slope mode manually when working at different angles. What makes it even more useful is the brightness adjustment mode, offering 4 levels to adapt to different lighting conditions. Running on just 2 AA batteries, it can last for about 8 to 10 hours and has a working range of up to 25 meters. Compact, versatile, and highly accurate, it's a must-have tool for leveling, aligning, or any type of precise measurement work. Number 2, Bicycle Brake Light. Safety should always come first when cycling, especially at night or in low-visibility conditions. This ThinkRider Smart Brake Sensing Taillight is designed to keep you visible and protected on the road. With IPX6 waterproofing, it withstands different weather conditions while delivering up to 120 lumens of brightness through its 17 high-intensity LED beads. The intelligent brake sensing feature automatically turns the light on high and steady for 3 seconds whenever you brake, alerting others instantly. It also includes smart vibration sensing, automatic wake-up, and hibernation modes to save battery life. With USB charging and real-time battery indicators, it's easy to maintain and keep charged. Stylish, durable, and incredibly practical, this rear bike light ensures an extra layer of safety on every ride. Number 1, Pruning Shears. For gardening enthusiasts, this multifunctional hand pruning shear is more than just a cutting tool. It combines pruning scissors with an integrated saw, bark shovel, and safety lock, making it perfect for handling different gardening tasks with one tool. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, it's designed for durability and efficiency when cutting fresh branches. The foldable design makes it easy to store and carry, while the safety lock ensures secure use. Whether you're pruning trees, trimming bushes, or handling small woodworking projects, this all-in-one tool saves you time and effort, making it an essential part of your gardening toolkit. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.